Hello friends, welcome to Talk. Is racing is your dream? Then you have a great opportunity in India. CRA Motorsports. CRA Motorsport was founded by THARUNKUMAR.S in the dawn of September 2014. It was earlier known as Coimbatore Racing Academy. They had a humble beginning as a racing school. It was started with the vision to bring out the many motorcycle racing talent in India. If you are looking for the best motorsport solution, look no further. Sierra does offer an unbelievable number of features and library of ready-to-go trainers who will put their passion upfront to train you. They provide highly qualified professionals with international standards with international track days. Safety always comes first when it comes to racing. We come to tell you we care for your safety and we will train you to be fast as well as safe. Racecraft is all about instruction who will personally instruct you theoretically and practically to improve your racing techniques, lap time, team strategy, rider strategy, improving your time, etc. Sierra Motorsports have different types of development programs. Student development program. They organize automobile development program for the college students throughout India. We provide world-class training with the best expert trainers from motorsports. Then motorsport projects. They conduct events for engineering college students. They are trained to build automobile machines. They also conduct competition for the same. Then research and development team. They provide for guidance, time, space and funding for a new project development done by the college students by undertake the naming rights.